is Chris Tillotson, Chief Information Officer for ICE Energy. I'm driving between our Costa Mesa facility and our Riverside facility. I'm going to talk with Mike McElroy, one of our project managers, who just completed 2 ice bear projects in Riverside for our Riverside Public Utilities program. He's going to tell us about those ice bear projects and tell us what's next for ICE Energy on the project front. Hey Mike, you just wrapped up some projects for Riverside Public Utilities. Can you tell us about them?
Absolutely. The first project was a 2 ice bear ground mount installation that we did over there, and it went off without a hitch. We replaced, I believe it's 6 units, rooftop units. And the second project was actually over also for Riverside Public Utility, and we replaced a total, or we added a total of 10 ice bears.
Nice.
The first building, we actually did 6 ice bears, and the second building we did, which would be building B, we did 1 ice bear, and then the third building, which would be building E, we were 3 ice bears, all IV30s.
Great. So that was for Riverside Public Utilities, and I understand you got another project coming up for the Keep Your Cool program, for the SCE program in Orange County. Can you tell us what that project's all about?
Yeah, that's actually going to be for the Senior Center over in Tustin, and that is going to be an installation of 3 ice bears.
Excellent.
And we're going to be using what's called power interface panels.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
Tell us about those. What do those do?
So basically we're intercepting the power that's on the line side of the disconnect. And we're just going to kind of intercept that so that they're not running at the same time. The ice bear won't run the same time that the unit. So it's going to be actually locking out the compressor so it doesn't run the same time as our ice bear. So we won't have to run power for the ice bear. We're going to kind of intercept it.
Hey, Mike, thanks a lot.
No problem.